el lugar que nos ofrece el calor, el que nos brinda la luz. Oh Meteor.
Everything we feel every day. Oh, Meteor!
La cual nos da el sustento, la cual nos da el alimento, la cual nos recibe a nuestra partida.
Coatlicue, Mother Earth, the food comes from the ground, we come from the ground, and we come back to the ground. It's no any human being or any other animal who can escape from this thing. Coatlicue, or Mother Earth. Opening the four corners of the planet, the universe, the ground, the place where we live. This is what we do, all Native Americans on this continent, the people who were first here for more than 1,000 years ago, or even more than that. Thank you so much for coming over. The next section you will see is a mix of different drummings from different dances. We have music and dance for you. And it's very important, as you saw the female is the one who holds the fire, not the man. The same way as you saw, only the man get the seashell. The seashell represents the female, and the fire represents the man. We are working in duality, man and female, female and man. You cannot just come alive and say the creator needs a female. So more music for you.